Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making the projector safe to open. Unplug the AC, remove the remote batteries, and wait at least 30 minutes so the lamp and capacitors discharge. Once done, place the unit on a soft, static-free surface and collect small containers for screws. You do this because residual charge and heat can harm you and the electronics. Now identify the model sticker, locate service screws under rubber feet or labels, and have Phillips #1 and Torx T10 ready before proceeding to the first screws. You continue by removing rubber feet and unscrewing all housing screws, noting their position so reassembly is exact. Once screws are out, carefully pry open seams starting at a corner. Use plastic picks to avoid marks. Detach the fan, lamp assembly, and any control panel cables. Press latches before pulling ribbon connectors. You do this to prevent snapped cables and misaligned optics. If the lamp module is heavy, support it while disconnecting. Keep screws grouped and take photos as you go for reference. You finish by exposing the DLP/optics module and avoiding direct contact with the mirror chip. Use only a blower if dust is present. Replace or reseat the lamp and any air filters, then reattach cables in the exact order and orientation you recorded. Reassemble housing, tighten screws evenly to hand plus a slight eighth turn, and replace rubber feet. After a final visual check, power the unit and run a lamp warm-up. If it fails to start, check the internal fuse, lamp seating, and each connector. Those fixes solve most issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.